Hey everyone, it's AJ, and today I am gonna be. Oh my god, why am I holding a pencil? Okay, so I am in Roblox. So, what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna do the, what is it called again? The noob vs pro. Yeah, just like this video. I didn't get to finish it. Alright, yeah. And that is why I am doing it again. By the way, I got convinced to do it from this person. Huh? Yeah. And now we are gonna do it. Alright. I am now gonna load into Robloxian High School. By the way, my nose is blocked, that's why you can only hear my mouth. I think you heard that. Alright. Coffee is sitting right next to me. Say hey.
Hey, hey.
Alright. Hooray. Alright. I am now in the game. Alright. I'm gonna be a freshman. Freshman. Hopefully nobody notices that I have Builders Club. Hopefully. Cause the game is loading still. How would I be a hacker? Hacker. Alright guys, so I am waiting for my game to load. Come back to you when my game loads. By the way, my pause thingy is where the shop thing is. I'm not actually gonna buy anything from the shop. Could you lower that down, please? I can't hear. Alright. So, this is where the shop thing is. And this is where the pause. Alright guys, the game has loaded. Alright. So let's find some people. Inventory. Let's go to my tools. So, speed coil. Let's check the club red again. Could you mine coffee? I'm recording. I'm recording. Then stop coughing. Let's try another game. Let me find one. BRB. Wait. I think I know. Boys and Girls Dance Club. Boys and Girls Dance Club. Boys and Girls Dance claim in games. Why are you yawning in my video? Did you just wake up? Okay, I found it. Shopping. Alright, guys. Let me load up. I just remembered I have the boombox. But I am gonna go to the avatar. No. So remove hats, and then I'm gonna get that hat back. And I don't know anything else. So I'm gonna get a random one that probably is not for Robux. Hopefully it's like off sale or something. Ew. No. I know. Let me check the premium. Gonna wear a fedora. I'm really sick today. Okay, I'm gonna wear. Alright. Let's find somebody. I hear that. Wait, which game is it? Oh, you're in my game? You're in my server? I don't see you. Where are you? Are you a girl? I see you now. That's ice cream. Guess what? I see you. Hi. Alright. Are you talking to me? 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 Guys. now he's regular Jack because he sees me. I have Robux and he doesn't. I know. What if he doesn't have Robux? Let me check. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna check. And it doesn't matter if he doesn't have Robux, because I ain't bully. Hi. No. I'm all the way up here. La Savagna Barabishki Baba. I believe I can fly. That's so funny. You? Duh. That face looks lit. It's the littest thing I've ever seen. It looks like the littest thing I've ever seen. No, it's actually real lit. Not to lie. Lit! You look so cool. Oh my god. I wanna walk like you, talk like you, everything like her. Sit. I wanna walk like you, talk like you, nobody can see my skin tone. Nobody can see my skin tone, nobody can see my skin tone. Alright guys, I think this video is gonna end right here. So, no wait, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Good. Bye!